Alright, check it out. How would you like the pasta cooked and what kind of pasta would you like? You have a fettuccine, we have zucchini. I told you fettuccine. Oh, fettuccine, okay. But we have the spinach fettuccine, and we have the egg fettuccine, and we have a wild mushroom fettuccine, and there's also kiwi fettuccine with a little bit of garlic there.
Don't you have just plain old fettuccine?
I think the plain thing you have is like an egg fettuccine. It's quite good.
I guess I'll have that.
Okay.
That would be good.
How would you like it cooked?
Well done.
Well done? Okay. Okay. Well, spread over.
I ordered fettuccine.
That's good. That's good. Egg fettuccine.
Okay.
Fresh pepper here.
I would like some more wine, please.
And your pepper.
Yeah, you can put a little pepper there. But you'll bring me some more wine, right?
Okay.
You haven't run out of anything.
No, we didn't.
Okay.
Quite a lot.
Okay, I'm just checking.
Yeah, I'll do it over with you.
Thank you. That's fine. I'm afraid spaghetti is alive. It's look, it's moving.
It's not moving.
It is.
How is it moving? It's nothing live there.
Look, this piece is trying to crawl away.
Oh,
It's crawling off the plate.
ma'am, it cannot be crawling.
It is.
Spaghetti.
Look.
This is the pasta. It's never been alive.
They pass off the bowl. Take it away.
Look, what are you doing?
Bring me.
What are you having?
Bring me some more.
What is
Look,
that?
this piece.
Give me this instrument.
Look.
What is that?
Look,
Yeah, but tell me what is that?
it's moving.
Yes, it is.
It's alive.
But don't bring it to my mouth. You're supposed to eat it.
No, take it away. I want a new bowl. This is alive.
Bowl of what?
I want a new bowl of fettuccine.
Oh, fettuccine, but it's gonna move
This is
again.
fettuccine. You
They're
get
all
worms.
moving.
This
In
is
our
worms.
restaurant, they're all moving.
They don't have the restaurant is alive. I can
Yes.
hear it in the kitchen.
Yes, we have a lot of life.
I hear it.
Hey, Albert,
I
we got
hear
a
it.
drunk in here.
Your animals being slaughtered in the kitchen.
What are you? This was got them from the poultry
Yes,
plant.
I hear them.
Before.
I demand that you bring me a new plate of fettuccine.
All right. So be it.